Hi friends, welcome to IMO Videos, Standard 8th, video number 85, Exponents and Powers, Section A, Easy. Let's start. Which of the following values are equal? Means these four values are given. 1 raised to 4, 4 raised to 0, 0 raised to 4 and 4 raised to 1. Quite easy. 1 raised to 4 is 1, 4 raised to 0 is 1, 0 raised to 4 is 0 and 4 raised to 1 is 4. So which are equal? These above ones. 1 raised to 4 and 4 raised to 0. So these two are equal. Next, if 10 upon 3 into 3 raised to x minus 3 raised to x minus 1 equals to 81, find the value of x. So here this problem seems to be difficult, but it's not that. Focus on left hand side. So 10 upon 3 into 3 raised to x minus 3 raised to x minus 1. Now what is this? Now this 3 over here, shift it to the 3 raised to x. So how it becomes? 10 into 3 raised to x upon 3 raised to 1, right? Minus 3 raised to x minus 1. So bring this 1 above, it becomes minus 1. So 10 into 3 raised to x minus 1 minus 3 raised to x minus 1. Now 3 raised to x minus 1 can be taken as common. So 3 raised to x minus 1 into 10 minus 1, that is 9. So 3 raised to x minus 1 into 9 equals to 81. Now take this 9 on the other side. 3 raised to x minus 1 equals to 81 by 9 equals to 9. So it becomes 3 raised to x minus 1 equals to 9. Now again solve this. 3 raised to x minus 1 means 3 raised to x upon 3 raised to 1, right? This minus 1 comes down. So convert this, bring this 3 on the other side. So it becomes 3 raised to x equals to 9 into 3, right? 27. Now 3 raised to x equals to 27. But what is 27? 3 raised to 3. So therefore bases same. So indices can be same. Means if the bases are same, indices will always be the same. So x equals to 3. That is the required. To watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What to get in these videos? IMO, IEO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Baba plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.